Hi and welcome back. Let's now have to securely hide photos location information when sharing on your Mac. Have you ever shared a photo and wondered what information might be hidden inside it? Well, beyond the image itself, photos often contain metadata including the exact location where they were captured. While this can be useful for organizing a photo library, it can also raise privacy concerns when sharing pictures with friends, colleagues, clients, or on social media. Fortunately, your Mac gives you the option to remove location information before sending photos, thereby allowing you to share your memories without revealing where you live, work, travel, or spend your time. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first we have to launch the Photos app on your Mac, and then you have to hit the Photos menu located at the upper left corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose the settings option in the drop-down menu. Then you have to uncheck the box for include location information that appears right next to the settings section, and that's about it. Going forward, your Mac will hide the location details of the photos when sharing them with anyone. Now you know how to conceal the important location information when sharing photos on your macOS device. Although location metadata is invisible in the image itself, it can contain precise details about where a photo was captured. Taking a few seconds to remove this important information before sharing can help you shield your privacy, safeguard sensitive locations, and ensure you're only sharing the content you intend others to see. As you have seen, macOS makes this process simple and convenient, allowing you to share photos confidently without exposing unnecessary personal data. So whether you are sending images through messages, mail, AirDrop, social media, or any other platform, disabling the location data is a smart habit that can give you greater peace of mind. Now that you have unlocked this pretty important and privacy-focused feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.